Now, we've talked about why your voice shakes. Let's talk about how to fix it. The first thing that you can do is called the grounding breath. This one resets your nervous system in less than 10 seconds. Here's how. Breathe in slowly through your nose for 4 seconds, hold for 2 counts, then exhale through your mouth for 6 counts. As you exhale, consciously drop your shoulders and relax your jaw. When you do this, you should feel your chest start to soften because what you're doing here is signaling safety in your body. You're telling your nervous system, ooh, okay, we're not in danger, we're safe, we're just talking. If you can, try this before entering a patient's room or you're about to start a difficult conversation with someone. You'll notice that your tone, it drops lower, your words come out slower, and your confidence, it sounds real, not forced. And then when you do this consistently, your body will start to associate speaking English with safety, not stress.